S&A, sort 16, open and close syllables and inflected endings. Inflected endings are the ing and ed. I'm actually going to start this sort a little bit different. This sort is a review of what we were doing in previous units, but taking it one step further. So a quick review of the E drop, double, and nothing. So here we have the double. Skipped. And this one does not double. This is actually an E drop. I'm going to see if we, some patterns of pairing. Plotting, we doubled. Joking is an E drop. Greeted. Greeted, so nothing happened there. But these ones actually don't have pairs. Some of them do. Wrapped, so you doubled. Notice how the ed makes a t sound even though it's spelled ed. Telling, there's two L's, but that's really the way it normally is anyway, so nothing happened. Hunted, nothing. Winning, doubled. Racing is an E drop. Shouting, nothing. Nodded, double. Skated, E drop. Floated, nothing. Panting, nothing. Leaking, nothing. Needed, nothing. Letting, double. Saving, E drop. Faded, E drop. And painted, nothing. These words here are silent E words. When you're adding ed or ing to a silent E word, you drop an E and then add the ending. In these words, we doubled the consonant because the vowel is short. Skipped, plotting, wrapped. If you didn't have the extra letter there, you would think it was a long vowel. Over here, nothing happened. Do you remember why nothing happens to these words? Well, over here, these were short vowels. Plot, plotted, but here they're long. Floated, shouting, panting. Well, this one isn't. What we have here is we already have two consonants after the vowel, so we don't need to double anything. And here we have long vowel sounds, so we don't have to do anything. This one's really neither long nor short, but we already have two vowels there. We got two consonants here, so we do not need to add another letter. See the two letters? That makes the two letters here. This one already has two letters, so we don't need to double it. So if it's long vowel, or if there's already two consonants, we don't need to do anything. Let's take a look at what that looks like in the sort that you have this week. Take this around here. I'm going to mix them all back up again. Let's see what happens now. I'm going to quickly sort them. We're looking for the VCV, vowel, consonant, vowel. And right here we have the double consonant in the middle. And this one has two vowels, a consonant, and a vowel. Now, a lot of times when there are two vowels next to each other, they make the long vowel sound, but not all the time. So, let's see. Two consonants, two vowels, two consonants, two vowels, now the QU in this word is going to work together. It's just the Q sound. Anytime you hear a Q in the word, it has a U after it. So that really just goes together. So it doesn't really count as two vowels next to each other. So this is going to be a vowel, consonant, vowel. Skipped, we have doubled. Joking. Do you see any patterns here? Does everything we learned still make sense? Let's look now at open and closed syllables. Let's see, quoted, quoted. So this syllable actually ends with the O. And if a syllable ends with a vowel, then it is supposed to be long. Joking, still working, skated, saving, faded, racing. These still end with vowels and they're long, just in the way that they're supposed to have a silent E on them, making them a long vowel. Over here, we're supposed to have long or short vowels. Well, the double consonants are supposed to protect the short vowel sound. Let's see. And if a word has two of the same letter, the syllable divide goes in between those letters. So right here, see? And if there's a syllable ends with a consonant, then the vowel is short. So we can see it even works this way. Nod, did. The syllable ends with a consonant, then the vowel stays short. And over here, when we didn't do anything to the spelling change, painted, painted ends with a consonant, but we got two consonants here and a double vowel. Leaking, greeted, neated. These are all long vowels. Shouting, shouting. So those ones work a little bit different because they have two vowels. So following these rules of just vowel, consonant, vowel, or vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, we still have the same rules that we learned before when we were just dropping E's or doubling or doing nothing. This is the last sort in this unit, so there will be a spell check after this.